In many of my videos, you'll notice I really like using the narrow or shallow areas behind doors, especially in closets, going into a bedroom, behind the door, going into a garage, pantries, or laundry rooms. They are a great place for organizers. And when the door is up against the wall, you don't see these organizers. And when the door is closed, you don't see inside anyway. So it's a win-win. Now, take the Cabidor Classic behind the door cabinet that actually mounts on the hinges of your own door. It's a solid, stable way to hang something, and it can swing as needed to retrieve the items. For laundry rooms, you can put cleaners. For bathrooms, you can get some of that clutter off the countertop. And for pantries, you can put some canned goods. If you follow the link I've posted in the description down below, there's actually a video to watch to show you how it works and how to install it. It's super easy. And it will give you a lot of extra very usable and efficient storage space while using that wasted space behind the door. I'm going to put the link for this product down below, and please hit the subscribe button to my channel before you leave my channel, and please also go to my Facebook page and like it. And you can find me on Patreon, Twitter, and Instagram, all at Create Space and Get Organized, where I can help you better daily to get more space to help make your life more efficient.